Hello, in this video I will show you how to make slides on Adobe Spark. So first go to the Adobe Spark website. Okay, so you need to sign in. After you've signed in, click the plus. Click video. Then wait a few seconds. We need to make a title. Okay. Click next. Click start from scratch. Wait a little while. Okay, there is a video you can look at, but I don't need that. You can look at it though. Okay, let's make some slides. So first, let's click on text. Okay, go to the sentences you made. So here are some my class did this morning. I'll just pick an example sentence. So, okay, let's do this one. On weekdays, I sometimes feel tired. Okay. So, click T, paste. Okay, now we need to find a picture for that. So, click the plus here in the corner. Click photo. Okay, there are two options. You can do find free photos, which is fast, but there is less choice. Or you can do upload photo. So it could be a real photo you took from your phone, or it could be from Google Images. I'll start with find free photos. Okay, so I have to type in a word, something in the search box. So I'll just type in tired. Okay, this one looks good to me. Okay, on weekdays, I sometimes feel tired. So now I will record my voice. So I have to click on the microphone. And when I'm speaking, my finger is down. When I stop speaking, my finger comes up. So let's do that. On weekdays, I sometimes feel tired. Okay, let's listen. On weekdays, I sometimes feel tired. Okay, I don't like the music though. Let's change the music. Okay, let's try this one. So here it says like relaxed or playful, happy. Okay, let's try relaxed maybe. Okay, sounds okay. There are some other things here you can try. So resize, this changes the shape of the picture. So you can make it like a square or a rectangle. Then we have themes. This is changing the letter style. So we could try this one. Okay, and the layout. That's what was there. This is what you usually see. It's usually on layout, and then you have to click the other options. Okay, so I'll try, in the next slide I will try split screen. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Oh, sorry. Let's put that one there. I'll put this one first. Oh, okay, plus. Okay, there we go. Right. Okay, let's choose the letters, the words we want. Let's try, on the weekend, I often swim in the sea. Okay, So it looks quite big size. You can make it smaller if you click here. That looks better. Okay, let's find the picture. I have to click the plus sign here, photo, but this time I will use from Google Images, so I will use upload photo. So go to Google, okay, type something in the box, swimming, okay, okay, that will do. Maybe what else have we got? Okay, click images. Okay, maybe what's a good picture? Did she say swimming in the sea, or what was it? In the sea, yeah. So we want swimming sea, not swimming pool. Okay, maybe like this one. Okay, you could put in a Berkey. Okay. Maybe it's not what I wanted. Okay, right. So maybe like this one. Okay, I click save image as. Okay, go back to the video. Oh, sorry. I clicked save image as, and then I click desktop. It's easy to find from the desktop. Okay, go back to the video, upload photo, this one. Okay, let's record the voice. On the weekend, I often swim in the sea. Okay, so I'll do one more slide. And I'll click the plus here, and I will do split screen. Okay, so let's do the text first. Let's do a long sentence. Make it bigger. Okay. Right. Let's find a picture. So we want chips. Oh, yeah. This is chips in Britain, which is like potatoes. So you might have to put in crisps. Must be British website. Okay, maybe that one. Okay. Right. Okay, actually I need a... Okay, let's do the voice while I'm waiting. Sorry, yeah, I messed that. I'll do that again. Okay. On weekdays, I never eat chips, but at the weekend, I do. Okay. So this one I noticed some mistakes. That's why I stopped speaking. There. Okay, so let's click preview and see what it looks like, the whole video. On weekdays, I sometimes feel tired. On the weekend, I often swim in the sea. On weekdays, I never eat chips, but at the weekend, I do. Okay, I will stop this video there and I'll make another video about how to make the link.